Welcome to this tutorial on how to save a pin to a new collage on Pinterest. If you're looking to get creative and organize your favorite pins, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all your saved content. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to browse through your feed. Next, find the pin you want to add to your collage. You can scroll through your home feed or use the search feature to locate specific pins that inspire you. Once you've spotted the pin that catches your eye, tap on it to open it fully. Now that you have the pin open, look for the three dots located under the pin. This icon opens a menu with various options for managing your pin. Tap on these three dots to reveal more choices. From the menu, select Add to Collage. This option allows you to create a new collage using this pin. After selecting it, you'll see an option that says Add to New Collage. Click on this, and you're ready to start assembling your collage. At this point, you can continue adding more pins to your collage by repeating these steps. Simply go back to your home page or search for additional pins that you'd like to include. Each time you find a new pin, open it, tap on the three dots, and choose Add to Collage again. Once you've gathered all your desired pins, you can arrange them in a way that looks visually appealing. Pinterest allows for some customization, so feel free to adjust the layout until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Finally, when you're happy with your collage, make sure to save it. Your new collage will be ready for sharing with friends or followers once it's published. Remember, each photo in your collage links back to its original pin, making it easy for anyone who sees it to explore further. And there you have it. You've successfully saved a pin to a new collage on Pinterest. Enjoy creating and sharing your unique collections.